Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about triangular waves. Now what is triangular waves? Before going on the diagram, I want to say something. A triangular wave or a triangle wave is a non-sinusoidal waveforms. A triangle wave or a triangular wave, you can say it is a triangle wave or a triangular wave. It is a non-sinusoidal signal. Named as a triangular because of its shape or its structure. It is a periodic signal by piecewise linear continuous real function. It is a periodic, I can write here, it is a non-sinusoidal signal, non-sinusoidal signal. Basically, this triangular wave is a non-sinusoidal signal, but it is periodic in nature. Okay, I can say it is piecewise linear. It was piecewise linear. Okay, I can write here piecewise it is linear. In nature it is piecewise linear, or it is continuous real function. So here from this I can say that a triangular wave or a triangle wave is also called as a non-sinusoidal waveforms named for its triangular shape. ये इसका नाम ट्रायंगल है, इसलिए ट्रायंगल जैसे शेप में आता है इसलिए इसको ट्रायंगुलर शेप और ट्रायंगल शेप भी बोला जाता है और ट्रायंगल वेवफॉर्म्स बोला जाता है. It is periodic, it is piecewise linear and continuous real function. Like a square wave, already we have studied what is rectangular wave, what is square wave. Like a square wave, the triangle wave contains only odd harmonics. It contains only, second point, first point khatam, second point, it only contains odd harmonics. It only contains odd harmonics, odd number of signal it contains. The higher harmonics roll off much faster than in a square wave. Square wave में क्या होता है, ये higher harmonics होती है, but यहाँ inverse square wave में number of harmonic is opposed. Basically this is nothing but slightly as comparison as sine wave. It sine wave is converted into a triangle wave, but triangle wave is not converted into sine wave. Here, the sine wave to triangle wave converter of claim 6, where in the sine wave occupied to the input of the amplifying means is less than one complete cycle to produce the triangle waves. The output of the amplifying means less than one complete cycle. Again I am repeating, the sine wave is converted into triangle wave. ये जब कन्वर्ट होता है ये पूरा साइकिल को कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पाता है, एक हाफ साइकिल को ये क्या करते हैं, कन्वर्ट करते हैं. मैं आपको दिखा दूँ. जस्ट अगर ये साइनसोइडल सिग्नल है तो ये क्या होगा, ये है ट्रायंगल वेव. ओके, तो साइनसोइडल सिग्नल के ये जो पिक है, ये जो एम्पलीट्यूड है वो पूरा शार्प हो जाते हैं, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए ट्रायंगुलर वेव्स. This is also defined as, this is x of t is equal to, here x of t, triangular wave is represented as x of t is equal to 2a upon pi arc sine, within the bracket sine 2 pi upon t x. This is nothing but a triangular function. Basically this type of triangular function we are using in the basically I draw here both the combination of a triangle wave and sinusoidal wave. So here we got that sine wave is converted into triangle wave. So I can say here, मैं यहाँ बोल सकती हूँ, a sine wave or a sine signal to triangular convert including an amplifier. having an input terminal and an output terminal. It required to convert a sine signal to triangle signal. We need amplifying on both the side, on the input side, on the output side. The input and the output both should be amplified. A sine signal or sine wave converter having an input terminal and an output terminal, and for producing sine function at the output in accordance with the application of a triangular wave. With the application of a triangular wave at the input terminal, where it transmit or it converted into couple of the input signal at that time, that is nothing but a arc of a sine wave. Arc of a sine wave. Here arc of a sine wave means it amplify or it produce the output as a triangle wave to the output terminal to amplify the input signal as like this. Okay, this is nothing but the triangular wave. A continuous triangular waveform means here a continuous triangular waveforms means, for example, I am taking like this. It may be from till this to till this. I can do. This is nothing but minus 1 to 1 upon t x of t. X of t, that is minus 1 to 1. If I will take the discrete, this is nothing but continuous time triangular waveforms. If I will draw the discrete time signal by the help of continuous time signal, I can draw like this. With the help of continuous time signal I can draw, and after that I will erase the continuous time signal to show you the discrete time signal. This is nothing but discrete time signal. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is nothing but sample, that is n to minus n of x of n. According on mathematical, I can write as if t is greater than, if t is greater than or magnitude of t is less than 1, at that time it is 1 minus mode of t. If it is t 0 and equal to 0, at that time it is 0. This is nothing but x of t as a triangular waveform. On the other hand side, if I will take like this here, that is nothing but, or it is, I can write this is also greater than or equal to 1, I can also write. Okay, so here it is also same, x of n is represented as 1 minus n, that is when n is less than 1. When n is mode n is greater than or equal to 1, at that time it is 0. At that time it is completely 0. This is nothing but a triangular waveforms.